Modifying cars is getting harder. Across Europe, laws grow stricter, inspections tighter, and the freedom to create, fading. What used to be expression through custom builds, slam suspensions, turbos, and wide fenders, is now buried under rules and red tape. They say it's about safety, they say it's about the environment, but they forget one thing. A car is not just a machine, it's your soul in steel, your vision in motion. From drift missiles to JDM icons, every build tells a story. We're not vandals, we're builders, artists, creators. So, to every tuner and weekend warrior out there, keep wrenching, keep building, keep dreaming, because this isn't just a hobby. It's not just a lifestyle, it's our statement.
Y'all behind the camera. You know you go down to last time, nigga, hit you.
I wanna get some shit up my chest. Shit up my chest. I wanna get some shit up my chest. Shit up my chest. I wanna get some shit up my chest. I got this rap shit song locked down. From the ground to the sky, from Atlanta, all the way to Long Island. Who am I? Them motherfucking niggas who be dissing. I be ripping motherfuckers like I'm eating off them chicken. Been the legging, think I got you out of Sylvia. Copies, Roscoe, Boy, Lowtown, behind you. Word, you got some motherfucking nerve. I should've left your ass on the goddamn curb, but I'ma leave it all the motherfucking same and focus my attention on those rappers in the game. Now, first you made a jam that's hot, hot. Then you made another, then that shit went pop, hot. Then you made another, then that shit had flopped. You deserve exactly what your ass got, motherfucker. Trying to run after the whites. You used to wear Timbs, now your ass is the tights. And every time I see you, all you wanna do is fight. Don't get mad, cause my shit is right, alright? I'm a motherfucking man like you. You wanna be fake, well I gotta be true. You wanna be the next when you should've been you. Then tell me what the fuck am I supposed to do?
The cough syrup concoction originated in the South in the 1990s and quickly gained popularity when rappers started to make music about the liquid, also known as